What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please know that this is not financial advice. You can do whatever you like with your money. And that being said, let's take a sip of coffee from my Casper Maxi mug. Everything tastes better with Casper. So today is it's gonna be a topic a little bit different. Okay, so today what I want to know is I want to make this question, because to me I know it's clear. I know a bunch of you have heard about LCX, the exchange, okay, the exchange coin. I know a bunch of you have heard about it. Some of you even hold it. Just somebody like me, I hold a LCX. But the question is LCX the next Binance coin? Do you think it could happen? Do you think LCX could go up to $300? Do you think it's possible? I know it is. I know, and I think it is. But well, that is something we're going to talk about today. But before we do that, let's do as we always do every day. Let's check a market overview on the three coins that we are trading in this My Millionaire journey, okay, in this bull run. So those three coins you already know. Those are Casper, Quant, and Jasmine. Let's see how they perform today. Okay. That being said, I'm gonna take it to my crypto bubbles. Those of you Quant unbelievers, those of you Quant non-believers, I told you guys yesterday. I told you guys a lot of people are waiting for a $40 Quant, and I'm like, guys, the possibility, okay, excuse me, I was like, the possibility of Quant going to $40 versus Quant taking off to the upside is very low. Those chances are very low. If you want to put it as a percentage, I think Quant has 85% chance to start going up and 25% chance to start dropping. That is what I'm telling you guys. This is not financial advice. Okay, you can do whatever you want. But in this My Millionaire journey, I'm always clear, transparent with you guys. I even show you my trades. You know, like what I say is what I do. Or vice versa. What I do is what I say. I'm not like a bunch of some of these YouTubers. They tell you something. Some of them use that to pump their own bags. But that is not me. Like I told you, this channel is not just for me. This channel is for you. Those of us who want to go from zero to millionaire status. Those are the like-minded people I'm looking for. So we can get to this together. Like I said, it's like losing weight. Okay? If you want to lose weight, just like me, I'm working out right now. I'm following another group of people. We are working out together. This morning, I didn't feel like getting out. But hey, we're going bicycle. We are going cycling. Anybody grab your bicycle. That energy is just like contagious. You get up, and I was riding bicycle. My legs are sore right now. My legs are sore. It's the same thing I'm saying. It's like you have a group of people that think like you. We want to go from zero to a millionaire status. After making millions, let's see if we can get to a billionaire status and never stop. This wealth is generational. Okay, we start. Whatever that we get, we're gonna transfer to our children, and our children will continue where we started. Okay, where we left, our children are going to take off from. So, excuse me. I don't understand why my phone keeps doing this, but anyways, so that is what we are doing here. But today we're going to talk about LCX. That being said, let's go to crypto bubbles right quick, so you can see. I mean, like we can see how those coins performed in the past 24 hours. Quant. Quant. okay guys, come on, let me take you over there. Enough about this joking around. Okay, let's go crypto bubbles right here. For the past day, yeah, most of the market is doing good. Okay, most of the market is coming up, and everybody is like, whoa, what the hell is happening? But hey, it's normal. Like you can see here on the finance, the one we are using for the exchange fees, to also use that to scale up our trades and all that. Ondo is doing pretty good. It is up today 3.9%. So, but anyways, let's just go search it to make it a little bit easier. We're going to start with the king himself, Casper. There we go. For the past hour, Casper is up 1.1%, and on the day we are down 0.5%. The dump that happened yesterday due to the pause on the smart contracts is already taking off again. So look on the weekly, Casper is up 21% on the week. You don't even want to look on the year, because on the year Casper is up 660%. So let's look at Quant, QNT. Drum roll. Drum roll. There you go. Casper for the past hour, it is up 0.3%. I told you guys Casper is taking off. For the day, it is up 4.5%. And on the week, Casper is up 9.1%. Pay attention, guys. Quant is taking off. I told you guys Quant is going. Excuse me, I keep saying Casper. I am a Casper maxi. I mean, everything is getting confused with Casper right now. But hey, Quant is what I meant. It is up 0.3%. On the hour, on the day, 4.5%. On the week, 9.1%. Now look at the yearly, guys. You see how the yearly has started to drop. Quant is taking off. So let's look at the next one, which is Jasmine. Jasmine. Here you go. When we look at Jasmine, JAS. Jasmine on the hourly is down 0.7%, but on the day, Jasmine is up 1.4%, and on the week 0.4%. Now look at the yearly. The yearly is beginning to take off again. 587%. 587%, guys. So you can look at that, and that also sometimes tells you where the trend is going. So if you look again, we're gonna add LCX today, because that's something I want to talk about today. LCX. See, this is an opportunity you don't want to miss. I'm not leverage trading this one. I am spot trading LCX. Like I showed you guys my spot positions yesterday. LCX is up 0.9% for the hour. On the day, 5.9%, and on the week it is down 11.1%. So guys, you look at it. Yesterday I told you guys, market was going up. Casper for sure, it is going higher. For sure, I'm telling you guys, even after the dump that happened yesterday, okay, even after that dump, you can see that Casper is recovering nicely and easily, because people now begin to understand it's not the Casper network, it is the Casplex, okay, smart contracts that have a little bit of flaws. By the way, that is why it is called open beta. Open beta is not the mainnet, is the testing period. You have the test net, then the open beta, then the mainnet. A lot of people are beginning to understand that. Okay, so those of you panicking, it was just the testing phase, and as you can see, the transaction volume that spiked up. I'm telling you guys, Casper this season, I won't stop saying it. I will keep on saying it. We have $10 to $20 Casper this season, guys. Pack your bag. Not financial advice, but hey, like I always said, round two, money. That is where we're going. That is where we're going, and that's what we do in this my millionaire journey. We make money every day, okay? Either by doing your 9 to 5, by leverage trading, by spot trading, or even by mining. If you have miners right there, mine Casper. That's another way. Again, not financial advice, but it's what I am doing. So now let me take you to the trading view right quick, so we will see exactly, like I told you guys yesterday, is exactly what is happening. So let's go to trading view. Let's go trading view right quick. Right here, we're gonna start with Casper. See, let me zoom out right quick. Those of you from who's been following my channel, guys, I don't want this. I want to exit out. Okay, now look, I told you guys price wasn't going to go lower because we have these support lines. These support lines at 17.7, 17.8, depends on how you draw your lines. I have mine at 17.8 or 7, thereabout. These lines are they are huge supports. See, price went up. We was going up pretty good until that Casplex crashed yesterday. When it crashed, as you can see, price came down and we got supported right on my support line. Now price is going up. Now guys, look at the ribbon. See how the ribbon is beginning to curve? Again, those are signs. Look at the ribbon. The ribbon always tells you. And now look at the moving average. We are going upwards. It is going. It's not like curving, coming back down, nothing. It's still going up. This is on the 1 hour. Let's go on the 4 hour. See, on the 4 hour, again, it got supported by the ribbon, got supported by my support line, and Casper, guys, is getting ready to go up. On the 4 hour, we've already started printing the first green candle. This should show you a lot. This should tell you a lot about Casper. So guys, breathe easy. Casper is going higher. Like I told you guys, we are here to test that 25 cents. 25 cents, then we try 30 cents, because these smart contracts are going to push this coin even higher. I'm looking at 40 cents. 40 cents, and then you start hearing the completion of the migration. That will push Casper up to 60 cents. And when that happens, guys, like I told you yesterday, when that happens, you are going to see all these exchanges, okay? Binance, Coinbase, Grandpa, whatever you want to call them, they are going to start listing Casper. And once that happens, the price is going to go all the way up to $1 easily. Very, very easily. You saw yesterday, okay? You saw yesterday, just that a few hours of the smart contract running. You look at the volume that Casper did. Look at the volume, transaction volume. That was just a few hours. And imagine when this thing starts to run fully, when they have the stable coins on it, DeFi projects, everything. Imagine the volume that is going to run on Casper. And guys, that's what I'm telling you guys, that these exchanges don't want to miss on this action. Casper is gearing up. Hey, like I always say, if you know, you know. Now is the time for you guys. I'm already in my positions. I'm already in my spot position, my leverage position, you call it. I even bought some Casper for my children. Okay, I told you guys, sorry about that. I forgot, completely forgot. I will show it to you guys today. So like I said, I always show you everything that I do. But anyways, let's go to the next coin, which is Quant. Let's go here. Okay, let's look for Quant. Ticket symbol QNT. I like the Binance as always. You see, guys, this is funny. This is very funny, because I told you guys, those of you who watch my videos, I said it yesterday. Let me zoom out a little bit. Okay, now let me bring back my arrow. See, check my videos yesterday. I told you guys we are going higher. The ribbon has already turned green, and this is on the 4 hours, guy. We are going higher. We need to make the ribbon into a support. It's a very big resistance here. We might get rejected, but break it. I'm expecting us to break it, make a support on it at $83, $84, and then take off. Once we take off, like I said, the target of this right here, if you want to know, this was a bull flag. Quant broke out from the bull flag, and now it broke out. Now, to look at how much is what is the length that we're going to have, and then I have to move it where it broke out right here. See, that's how I got the $83, $84 target, because that is the target of the bull flag right there. 84, almost $85 right there. That's what we are looking for. After that, there's going to be some sideways, or maybe comes back a little bit to retest the 82 or whatever this moving 200 moving average is going to be, and then take off. Okay, so let me take you to the 1 hourly right quick. On the 1 hour, there is even clearer. See, look at the moving average curving upside. We are going higher. Look at the ribbon. curving upside. So price goes, always come to retest. Like I'm telling you guys, this thing is gonna go and gonna come and test the ribbon and keep on going until we make it to that target of $84, $85. Once we make it there, market is going to try to go either sideways or try to come back to retest the ribbon. The ribbon probably is going to be at that $83 or $82. It will check it and keep on going. The ultimate resistance that we are trying to break here is 104. 104, like let me see, let me take you on the daily right quick. That is what we are trying to break, 104. If you look, see here, right there, we need to go above on the daily, above the moving average. As you can see, we've already started to break on the daily. We have started to break into the ribbon. So the ribbon again is going to provide a support, like I said, $84, $85 thereabout, and then that will give us the momentum we need to go above that 104. Quant breaks above it, we are going to come back, retest it, form it into a support, and next target is 120, guys. 120, we need to break that. Once we break it, then we have that 130. There's a little minor resistance there at 130. If you go in the monthly, you are going to see it. Now, the ultimate target, guys, for this move that we started is 150, because when you go to the weekly, see, let me zoom out. See that? This is the ultimate target, because like, let me bring my arrow out. It's a W. You guys know W's are very bullish patterns. You can see the first leg was formed. Okay, now we are forming the second leg. Second leg, we need to head up here. Look at that, 148, 150 thereabout. Once we break this, Casper is gone. Oh, sorry, Quant is gone. I keep talking about Casper. I'm a truly Casper Maxi. Once we break this, Quant is gone. Quant is gone. Guys, 150 is very hard resistance to crack. See that right here? They tried twice. Price tries here. 1, we dropped. 2, we dropped. Once we break this 150 resistance, 148, 150, guys, Quant is going to $250 or $300 in a very short period. Quant is gearing up, guys. Do not let nobody tell you different. So I don't see, like I said, I don't see Quant going back to $40. It could go, but yes, it could go, yes, but the probabilities are very, very low. So now let's go into the next one. The next coin that we are looking at is Jasmy. Let's go, Jasmy, ticket symbol JASMY. I like my Binance. Again, like you can see on the weekly, guys, Jasmy right now is fighting an important line. As you can see, this line has been here since February. I told you guys, guys who follow me, you know it. I've had this line since February, thereabout. See, since February, this line has been support and resistance all along. Right now, as you can see, it is acting as a very big support. Okay, see that? This on the weekly is acting as a very big support. Now, if we let me get rid of my arrow. If we extend this line, see, we are forming an ascending triangle. So what that means, like I said, you gotta be patient. You gotta be patient, guys. Patient, and you see, this is what Jasmy is doing. It's gonna go up and down this triangle until we break out. So on the weekly, if you look at it, it looks like we're going to have the biggest breakout of it all in August. Because towards the middle of August or the end of July, this triangle should really take off, like break out. But let's go a little bit on the 4 hours, because that's where the most interesting part is happening. I'll take you there here, 4 hours. You see, like I said, that is what is happening. Yesterday I told you guys we are going to bounce right there. See, we bounced right there perfectly. Price is coming back down. We're probably going to bounce right back there again at 2.8, 2.9, and up to 3.1, where we have been We are being sandwiched together. Look at the moving average. Look at the moving average. So you can see here, Jasmine, that's what it's doing. It touches the moving average, comes back to the base, goes back to the moving average. We are getting sandwiched together. Before you know it, this thing is about to pop, because the ultimate target, this move started a long time ago. The ultimate target for this is around 10 cents. Guys, do not get carried away. Look on the weekly. Look on the week. Okay, here, this is what we are doing. It's already broke out. Okay, look, this starting from here, it formed that bull flag, and then it broke out. So the target, the measurement target, is 10 cents. 10 cents. There is a little resistance at 12 cents, guys. 12 cents. Like if I zoom out, look at this. There is little resistance at 12 cents. There is not much resistance. After 12 cents, the next big resistance for Jasmine is going to be 20 cents. Do not get left behind, guys. This thing is taking off, and it's taking off with or without you. Like I said, I am always ready for it. I am already in my positions. I am already in my positions, on my leverage position, on my spot position. I am ready for it, because in this run, guys, I'm trying to capitalize as much as possible. So now let me take you to my trades. Let's see how they've been doing for the past 24 hours. Okay, and then you can also compare notes, see how your trades have been doing, see if we're in the same level or not. Okay, so now let me take you first for my Bydfi, then I will take you to my Phemex, my spot positions. If you want to know what I have there, you can go back in my video yesterday and you will see it clearly right there. But anyways, I'm gonna take you to my Bydfi and then Phemex. Guys, I do not condone leverage trading if you do not know what you're doing, because you can easily lose your money. Okay, you can easily lose your money on leverage trading. But anyways, if you have experience and you know what you're doing, below I do have Phemex and Bydfi links. Please sign up using those links. They help the channel out. Okay, once you sign up, they give you bonuses as a new user. Those bonuses, once you get them, start trading, start making profit. As soon as you make profit, take your initial money out and use the house money. That's what I do. I'm no longer using money from my own pockets anymore. To make the exchange fees, I trade Ondo Finance. To scale up my trade, I trade Ondo Finance, because Ondo is very easy to catch. Easy to catch the wave. But anyways, now let's go to my Bydfi right quick. Bydfi right here. Those of you who follow me, you remember, see that my overall is still going up. Yesterday I'm almost, earlier today I almost $29,000-$30,000, but right now again we're still going up. We are 28,867, almost 30,000. So congratulations to those of you who followed. I know your overall is also growing. Now let's look at my contracts. Now see, guys, I told you guys Quant was running. I told you guys Quant was running. Now you see, Quant has already started making me money. Like I said, I see it coming and it will catch a lot of people off guard. But anyways, if you can see, my Quant is up 43%, which is almost $2,000. Okay, like I'm saying, we are targeting 104, like I showed you guys yesterday. Look, I'm not gonna take profit, but look at this, 104. That will make me 6,400 right there. The highest Quant, I think Quant will go probably between $3,000 to $5,000 this run. So let's say $3,000. This thing will make me $500,000 right there. At $5,000, at $5,000, I have almost $1 million right there. Quant is going to surprise a lot of people once these projects get out. We got already Enbridge is live, guys. Rosalind is going live this July. Gateways comes in August, which is Quant staking. Guys, this thing is going to run, and by 2030 I can guarantee you Quant will be more valuable than Bitcoin, because this thing came here to replace the old system. Okay, like guys, I mean it. I think Quant will be more valuable than Bitcoin. When you understand the real world uses of something, you will understand what I'm talking about. Quant is going to be more valuable than Bitcoin, because Quant, go research, is the new Swift system. When they used their Mbridge project, when they implemented it and they kicked the button, they flipped it on, that is the new Swift system. It's not XRP, guys. XRP is part of Quant over Ledger. But anyways, let's continue where we are. Might be fire quick. So now you already know. So for me, I think Quant is going to hit that 3,000, 5,000. If things go crazy, we're looking at $10,000 Quant. But anyways, look at Ondo Finance. This is the one we use to make exchange fees. I am already up 36%, but I'm targeting $1.50 like I told you guys yesterday. Now look at my other two big ones. I do have Jasmine and I have Casper. As you guys can see, my Casper dropped to 79% because of the the pausing of the smart contract, which they're working on, and they're about to start going live again. You look at right here, 79%, which is almost $6,500, and my Jasmine is down 44%, but I'm still in profit at 1,800, almost 1,900. Now let me take you to my short term, which are on Phemex right here. Let me sign in right here. Okay, you guys see my overall again. My overall 7,400, because Jasmine dropped, Casper dropped, so my overall, logically, it goes down. So now on my contracts, as you can see, I told you guys, Jasmine is getting ready. So look at that. Jasmine right now, I am still up 20%, which is $120, which is not big money, but it's getting there. Casper, because it dropped, I dropped down to 30%, but I'm still up $1,500. Okay, 1,500, that's what we're still at. But like I already told you, I showed you my take profit areas, and that's what I'm waiting for on this my short-term trades. So now let's go right here. But first of all, before we do that, I like to be let's go right here on the topic of today. LCX. LCX is an exchange coin. Okay, it's an exchange coin. Is LCX the next Binance? Guys, I can tell you right now that LCX will be up there. Not this season, maybe next run. This run, I think LCX probably reached between $3 to $7 thereabouts. This run, but LCX, once you start studying what they're doing, you start following them. These guys are following the same model like Binance. That's what they're doing. Now let's go look at something right quick. Let me show you this. Let's go to CoinGecko. There, this is LCX. Guys, look, total supply 950 million coins. Look at how less than a billion. 950 guys, look at this. 950 million coin. Look at the market cap, 134 million. That right there screams bullish to me. That is why on my spot I bought 30,000, I think. Let me go back and look at it, because you guys, like I said, I usually show you guys what I do. I do have it on my Coinbase. Let's go here. Let's go here right quick. Let me just log in. There, my assets. Here, my LCX. I do have 30,000 LCX coins. That's what I'm saying, guys. 30,000 LCX. That's what I have. Okay, so LCX, if you follow them, let me show you this right quick. This is their website. What LCX is doing, they are pairing every coin that they trade in the exchange, including traditional money. Okay, if you look, they just started this LCX. If you search LCX and see what pairs they have so far, because they are not just putting any coin. Look at that: LCX USDC, LCX Ethereum, LCX Euro, LCX BTC. So guys, what they're doing, excuse me, what they're doing is like, if you want to trade a coin, let's just say Bitcoin, you have to use LCX. Okay, if you want to trade euro or the dollar or Casper, whatever, when they list Casper, you are going to have to use LCX coin as the gas fees. That is why BNB blew, because BNB go to the exchange. You can't trade Bitcoin to Ethereum, and no, you have to go through BNB, unless they've changed that model. But that was the model that they used before. That is why they blew up. And plus, one thing LCX is doing different is that LCX is legal in all the countries. Now we are transitioning. This world is now transitioning into cryptocurrencies, and those exchanges that don't have problems with the government, they are the exchanges that are going to thrive. Exchanges that can convert real world assets into tokens, they are going to thrive. And that is what LCX is doing right now, because you can buy diamonds, you can buy gold, you can buy like get into treasury bonds using LCX. That is what they're doing right now. That's what they're working on. They are perfecting their trade. And I'm telling you guys, when this thing blows up, okay, when this thing takes off, a lot of you will be caught off guard. That is why I just bought 30,000 LCX, and I have them in my spot account. This is for my long term, because I know LCX is going to be the next Binance coin. Guys, like I'm telling you guys, it is coming. You see, only a few exchanges are going to have regulatory policies. You know, like for example, let me take you here right quick. This is something that I like to do. If you go here, I think it's a little bit lower. I took it too high. Here, this one. I want to show you this. Okay, Ethereum, I'm going to use LCX. Let me get my Casper Maxi out of the way. LCX, there. And I'm going to compare it to the market cap of BNB. Okay, we're going to use Binance Chain. See that? The current market cap of BNB, if LCX should get there, we are looking at 114 114 LCX coin. Now if you have 30,000 like me, 30,000 coins like me, that guys, that will give you $3.4 million. But guys, like I'm telling you guys, LCX is going to run. Like, it's going to take a lot of market share, because like, let's go back here. Let's see what's the market cap of BNB right now. BNB, if you look, BNB 89 billion. That is the market cap of BNB right now. In the upcoming bull runs, I can tell you guys right now, guys, listen. Let me go back. In the upcoming bull runs, I can tell you guys that LCX will be probably 300 or 400 billion dollars, or even higher, because like I said, governments likes to know who, when, and how. That is why those policies are there. Now, any exchange that is following those things, like me, I like to, when I want to get my money out, I like everything to be clear. I do not want no shady exchanges. So people are going to start knowing, like, okay, you know what, I'd rather use an exchange that is not going to get in trouble with the government. They will not freeze my assets. I will not be waiting for days and days before I could get my stuff done. So LCX is one of them. LCX is one of them, guys. If you go, like I'm saying, take your time, Go and study what LCX is working on.